I'm Jay Wiles, and we're at EAA AirVenture 2026. Today is Thursday, and the FAA made an exciting announcement today. They announced the release of mobile clearance delivery, which is going to make work a lot easier for pilots and air traffic controllers, enabling you to get IFR clearances right on your favorite EFB. So we're going to hear from the FAA and from ForeFlight and Garmin to hear about how it all works.
This video is sponsored by Piper Aircraft. Piper's mission is to be a world leader in general aviation, developing and manufacturing premium aircraft and providing services of exceptional value which consistently exceed customers' expectations.
Mobile clearance is an option we can do for, instead of calling for your pre-departure clearance, we give you an option to do that via text-based digital clearance. So we are going live today at Appleton Airport, so everybody here at the event can use that at Appleton. If you are a ForeFlight or Garmin Pilot user, we've built that capability into their app suite. Hope to go out to more app providers in the future. We are doing an operational evaluation through the end of this year at the Houston area airports, David Wayne Hooks, Sugar Land, and Galveston currently. There will be more airports coming down in that evaluation period through the end of the year. And we officially roll out starting spring, early spring of next year. So what you would see in your app is something very simple. When you're ready for your pre-departure clearance, you would have this pop-up that says mobile clearance is available. You would request that clearance. And what that does is that sends a request for clearance to our controller display. So the controller will look at this. They'll look at the clearance. They can modify the routes. They can give you your departure frequency, and they will hit send. And that comes back to your app as a full route clearance. So you get your whole craft clearance in your app. It's text-based, minimizes the readback errors, the hearback errors, reduces the controller workload for that communication time where they're not reading you that clearance. You can come to your app, you can accept that, and that gets sent back to the controller as your final clearance. This will help reduce that frequency congestion and hearback and readback errors. So, pilots don't have to ask, how do you spell that fix? They'll get that completely text-based, and that really allows that controller to focus on the more safety critical aspects of their job.
So here at Plan to Flight, this is ForeFlight Mobile running in a test mode. Don't mind the magenta trim that lets you know we're on the quality assurance environment. I've got a flight from Hooks Field to destination in Texas. And this is exactly the same way you would plan a flight in ForeFlight Mobile, which we've been doing for quite a while. We're the #1 filer of flight plans in the United States, and this workflow begins with flight plan filing. So I've got my file pane here. I'm in my Columbia 300. I've got our test call sign in. I will hit file. Mobile clearance delivery is available within 30 minutes of your IFR departure time and up to 1 hour 45 minutes after. So I filed my flight plan. I should see some acknowledgements back here, and you'll notice at the bottom I have this new request clearance now pane. So I've got the time that's available to request clearance until. My flight plan has just been acknowledged. So I'll begin my clearance with the start button. This begins our mobile clearance workflow. I hit request clearance, and now it is coordinating with ATC. The controller on the other end, a real human, is working on my clearance right now. We should have it back shortly. And here is my clearance. I've got a little over 5 minutes to go ahead and accept that clearance. I'm cleared to, I've got my craft format, all pilots will be familiar with. Clearance limit, route, I've got a indication that I'm not cleared as filed. I'll go ahead and copy that route. I have my altitude information, expecting a vector to maintain 2,000 and then 7,000 10 minutes after departure. My frequency, my transponder code, and remarks, which tells me how to use this clearance. And I can either accept or reject this clearance. I'll choose to accept it. ATC is now receiving my acceptance. There's the summary of it, and I'll hit close. I'll put my amended route in. And there we go. Now I'm ready to fly, so I'll send it to the map. And now we are ready. That's all there is to it with mobile clearance from ForeFlight Mobile.
Instead of calling the tower, you can now get your IFR clearance through the Garmin Pilot app at select airports, 5 airports right now in the United States. And as soon as you file, and the mobile clearance delivery is available. We give you an icon that pops up and you can see your clearance in the craft format, just like we would chicken scratch it down, and you can have it in the iPad and push it straight to your flight plan as well, and then eventually straight into your avionics through Garmin Connect's technology as well. So it's a really seamless way to get a textual written IFR clearance instead of calling over clearance delivery ground or over the phone, and get it straight into the Garmin Pilot app. So once you file a flight in Garmin Pilot in the new flights page, you're going to see new UI show up after filing in that flights page. Here at the top, there's a banner that says mobile clearance available. We're going to click on that icon and it's going to run you through a set of pop-ups here, and then you can click request clearance. That starts a session with your tower, and as soon as they receive that request, they can review your clearance. Here we're showing that there's a banner at the bottom of the flights page, so you can go back as you're waiting on that clearance, the maps page or the flights page, and then when it's available, you can click the banner again. This UI will pop up here. You can review your full clearance, Wilco it, and then you'll get a clearance Wilco received, and it also shows received at the top of the flights page. The banner at the bottom will persist until you take off. And then after you take off, you can always go back to the flights page and review your clearance again if you forget your altitude, your clearance limit, etc. So again, easy way to not only get your IFR clearance at select airports in the United States today, but you can also refer to it within Garmin Pilot straight in the UI as we've designed it. Recently, I went up to Appleton International Airport where mobile clearance delivery is available today in the operational test and evaluation phase, one of the 5 airports across the United States that you can receive mobile clearance delivery. I flew up there and tested it with the team from the FAA and MITRE, and was so excited to sit in the FBO and do a bunch of testing with mobile clearance delivery and the features there, but then also receive a clearance to fly home in my own airplane. It worked absolutely seamlessly. I filed in the FBO, went outside, ate an FBO cookie like we all do, walked out and pre-flighted the airplane. By the time I mounted my iPad to its mount, I had a mobile clearance available banner, clicked on it, Wilco'd my clearance. When I called ground, I said I'm positive mobile clearance with the information x-ray, taxied on out and departed from Appleton absolutely seamlessly. And it was so cool to see a lot of months and years of hard work by all the teams come together with a real clearance.
And this is just the beginning for mobile clearance delivery. In the next few months, the FAA is going to put the finishing pieces on this, and by early next year, more airports should be coming online.